Remember, the bigger the now factor, the closer is your manifestation. Have you come across toxic people in your life? How bad was it? Isn't it so uncomfortable being around toxic people? Welcome everyone to this channel, Now Factor. This channel is all about discussing practical law of attraction techniques to overcome challenges and manifest desires. Before we dive into the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the community, please subscribe. Again, this channel is all about discussing practical law of attraction techniques. So your liking and subscribing helps, especially you never know who you are helping with information. You never know who is bumping into these videos and improving their wisdom. Sometimes lifetime passes and people never bump into this information. So your liking and subscribing helps reaching out to people and grow the community. Again, please remember, the bigger is your now factor, the closer is your manifestation. So imagine the toxic person is your boss. You know how horrible that's gonna be, right? And imagine the toxic person is someone you love, that specific person whom you love. Now, how we deal with them, it's a big question. We do bump into toxic people in our life, but how do we really handle them? How do we really take all the toxicity and the poison, and how do we turn it around? At the same time, we don't want to spend too much time on the theory and psychology and blah blah. We wanted to get to the point, straight to it. We want to narrow it down to a few steps, and how can we do that? How can we keep this simple and keep it to only few steps, and how can we turn it around? Well, that's what we're gonna discuss today. We'll keep it to only 3 steps, and we'll avoid all the junk, all the theory and psychology out of it, and we'll get straight to the point and keep it to 3 steps. So the step number 1 is replacing the image. What do I mean by replacing the image? So obviously there will be strong images playing in your head when you have somebody toxic in your life. For example, if this is your boss, you'll be playing image of your toxic boss all day, all night. No matter what, if you choose to do that, your mind obviously locks in the focus on the toxicity and the image of your toxic person. So we want to hijack that. We want to hijack those images that are playing in your mind, and replace the images with a cute little bunny. So as soon as you realize the toxic person's images are running your head, you basically replace the face image of the face of the toxic person with a cute little bunny. So now you may ask, where am I going with this? Where am I going with all this? It doesn't make sense any so far. So again, this channel is all about discussing law of attraction techniques and teachings of Neville Goddard. And Neville Goddard says, all is you pushed out. That means everything and everybody out there is created by you, and you are the god of your universe, and everything and everybody out there is just a little cute bunny that you have created. So having said that, coming back to the step number 1, you'll be looking to replace the images that's playing in your mind when you are so locked in thinking about the toxic person. So you are basically replacing their image of face with this image of a cute little bunny. And let's move on to the step number 2. Folks, before we move on to this step 2, please hit the like button. This helps reaching out to more people and grow the now factor community. Again, the bigger is your now factor, the closer is your manifestation. So let's dive right into step number 2. So now that you have replaced image of the face of the toxic person with the image of a cute little bunny, now in this step, the step number 2, you imagine seeing a post-it sign that you have put on the face of this cute little bunny. And as you start to clearly see a post-it sign that you have put on this cute little bunny, you start to imagine that this cute little bunny is just reading based off of what you have written on the post-it sign. So basically imagine that you have placed a cassette in a tape recorder, and you hit the play button. So whenever you see this cute little bunny with the sticky note with notes written by you, imagine that it's just playing the cassette for you. So only difference is that it combines emotions, it combines body language, it combines the toxic face and everything. So everything that comes with toxicity in a person. So again, going to the step number 1, you are replacing the image of the face of the toxic person with the image of a cute little bunny. And in the step number 2, you're clearly seeing the sticky note that you have put on this cute little bunny, and you literally are reading the words that are spoken by the toxic person to you. So the next time you encounter your toxic person, please do this: make a clear note of every single word that comes out of this toxic person when they interact with you. So try your best. It's not like you have to take a notes of everything they say, but pay attention and take notes whenever you are able to do that. Come to home and start writing everything that's said by the toxic person. And also write down the experiences you have with this toxic person. And once you have that going on, you need to do some reflection and start taking a look at all the notes you have written, and start imagine every page of your notes as a sticky note that you have placed on this cute little bunny, which is just basically reading off of the sticky notes you put on. So what I'm again trying to say here is that no matter who it is, whether this is a toxic person or any other person who is so loving to you, who is just pouring their love to you, or somebody very neutral, you just have casual interactions. So in each case, you're just putting the sticky notes on all of the cute little bunnies that you encounter in your life. Since we are specifically talking about the cute little bunnies that you have created as toxic people in your life, just start by looking at the notes you have written for them to read off of um, from. So you just need to put new sticky notes. That's all it comes down to. Since you have this journal going on with the notes, everything that the toxic person tells you, and uh, you know um, and everything that you experience with that person, so you just have to write them down and start writing opposite to what you see in your original notes. So have a separate notebook, that will basically is to that you'll basically use it to write quite opposite to what you see in the first notebook, right? So you start to jot down, taking each and every point that you have in the first book, and turn it to opposite, and start imagining you are taking out the original sticky note that you have put on this toxic cute little bunny, and replacing it with a new sticky note with whole brand new notes that you have written for that bunny. So as you start to do this, you are going to start seeing a shift. Again, manifestation is all tied to the beliefs, and beliefs are tied to pre-programming, and how much effort you have put in to reprogram. Don't expect it's gonna happen right away, but it all comes down to persistence. So continue to write until you see the shift, until you start to see the shift. So as in the second step, you are replacing the notes that you have written on the sticky notes for the cute little toxic bunny, and you start placing a lot of sticky notes covering all the areas he will touch your buttons, right? So obviously these toxic personalities push your buttons, and give you experiences, give you bad feelings, and hurt your feelings. So all those are your buttons. So for each button they are pressing, you write a new sticky notes with what you intend that toxic person to shift, and how you like the toxic person to treat you. So this is a golden step. My Now factor community. Again, before I move on to step number 3, just want to remind, I can't say this enough, the bigger is your now factor, the closer is your manifestation. Again, if you need a practical techniques particular to your situation, and you don't want to go through all the theories and psychology and a lot of therapies, and you just wanted a quick pill, like that still works, like everything tied to kind of 3 to 5 steps, reach out to me, comment in the make comments in the comment section with your questions. I'll make videos, so you will get you will get to see the power of law attraction, and power of teachings of Neville Goddard. Again, this channel is all about helping everyone with quick law of attraction techniques, and please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to the Now Factor community, please hit subscribe. So let's dive right into the step number 3. Yay, right? This is all being made simple, right? We are talking about toxic personalities, and dealing with toxic people, and now we are telling we can do this all in 3 steps. Now we can tackle this all in 3 steps. So you get excited, folks. So step number 3, again, this is tied to the principle of this channel, which is now factor. You have to believe it in the now. So once you have done what's we have discussed in the step number 2, and now you need to start feeling the gratitude that you are happy and grateful that now you know this technique, and now you feel the power. Now you feel the power that you could put new sticky notes on these cute little toxic bunnies that you have created. And you also know that you are the god of your creation, you are the god of your reality, and everybody and everything out there is just a cute little bunny that you have created. And with all of this awareness and with all of this wisdom, and start giving thanks to teachings of Neville Goddard and laws of attraction, and start living it. So begin the gratitude, start scripting that you are happy and grateful. Now you start to feel the power over the situation. Basically you are giving gratitude in 3 ways. Somehow this number 3 works as a magic. It provides a lot of solution for problems in our lives. So again, when it comes to the third step, you can do it in 3 ways. So three is coming in picture again. So 3 is a magical number. So the 3 way, how we can give gratitude in 3 ways. So first way is you will script that you are happy and so grateful that now you start to feel the power over the situation. Notice the word start. You you start to see the power over the situation. So the key word is you are just starting to feel it. So in the next way, you are gonna ramp it up. So next thing you're gonna write is you are so happy and grateful that you really start to feel this power over the situation. So here you are adding a couple more words before the keyword start. So you are adding really. So in the next way you are saying that you are so happy and grateful that you really start to feel the power over the situation. And in the third way, you're gonna give gratitude by scripting that um, you are so happy and grateful that you already see the shift, you already see the power over the situation, and you are so happy and grateful to know that you can stick new post-it signs on these cute little toxic bunnies, and you can write whatever you want, and these cute little toxic bunnies just gonna read based off of it, adding emotion, adding adding pleasure to what you want to see they turn to. They're gonna start reading based off of your new sticky notes, and you will start to feel the empowerment. So again, Now Factor community, this channel is about all about discussing practical techniques that you can apply over every difficulty, over every situation in your life, and change things and turn things around. And don't forget that everyone out there, everything out there is just created by you. And you have the power, you have the power only when your big now factor is bigger. You have the power only when you have now factor bigger. You have the power only when your now factor is bigger. Again, you have the power only when your now factor is bigger. With that, I hope this really helped you. This channel is not about discussing theories and psychology. This is for getting straight to it in three steps for the most part. And help us grow the community by sharing this video to your loved ones, and whom you think will benefit from this video. And also hit the like button. This helps grow the community. Also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and share. Thanks everyone. I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace.